Hey guys, this is Aldridge, and today I am showing you my basketball sneaker collection. Let's get unboxing. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure that you do so. I post weekly content every Wednesday about sneakers and about the sneaker life. So, first up, as you guys can see, I have 4 pairs here, 2 of them which are inside this box. Now, if you're wondering, yes, all of them are Nikes. This is a Jordan, which is still under Nike. And if you guys feel that I'm biased towards Nike, no, not really. I'm open to all brands as long as I like the design, I like the colorway. But as for basketball sneakers, I do prefer Nikes. So let's put these aside first. This is the oldest pair among the bunch. This is Chris Paul's 9th signature sneaker in the Yellow Dragon colorway. And it's been with me since 2015. And if you guys can see, the upper is mostly mesh, which gives the right amount of flex. I played basketball and I played shot ball, and I prefer flexible sneakers. See, it's flexible. Now, since it has been with me through a lot, it is now beat up. And I have not cleaned this properly, I think. Anyway, so for this part over here, these things, and also this black part at the back, are all covered in what we can say a dragon scale, hence the name of the colorway. And if we take a peek at the heel tab, you'll see underneath is a yellow dragon. Now, the cushioning of this sneaker is actually pretty much comfortable, to my surprise. It's a little lower than a normal mid-cut, but it has this extra cushioning at the back, which gives ample support for sports. The Jumpman logo at the back was covered in gold before. I mean, it was gold plated. And even Chris Paul's logo on the toe tab. But of course, since to my use and abuse, the gold plate faded away. Anyway, now you'll see this orange splatter pattern on the midsole at the back. It doesn't come all the way through up until the front because that's what they did. It has an icy sole which is now pretty much yellowed already. I use them so much that it now looks like this. My camera actually makes it look better. You'll have Chris Paul's signature here at the pull tab at the back. And overall, I just asked Dad to buy me an orange sneaker. He ended up buying me this yellow pair, which I actually loved. And it has been my go-to sportswear until I actually bought a Harden Volume 2. Let's check the next pair. What we have here is a Lebron 13. And this is no ordinary colorway. According to Nike's website, when I bought this, it was a limited colorway. However, it was actually on sale. That's why I managed to convince my parents to buy me one. So, this Lebron 13 is officially called Opening Night. And the colors, which Nike called them, are fine wine and cork, and of course gray on most of the upper. Now it looks so sleek. I mean, it looks nice, but I do not like it for basketball. But before we go to performance, one of the most unique things about this Lebron 13 and this colorway is this lion on the middle. Is this called a lace lock? I'm not sure. The lion signifies, you know, LeBron's title as king. Now the cork, since it is called fine wine, the top has to have some type of cork, just like a bottle of wine. Now this tongue tab has this cork design with LeBron's signature. And at the back, we actually have the heel tab. We actually have another design with LJ written and a crown signifying LeBron's kingliness. Now the upper, I don't know what's this called, but it's super stiff. I do not like it. I tried playing in them around once or twice. I did not enjoy my stay. The zoom units down below are okay, I guess, but the upper is just too stiff. I cannot play in them. I actually barely use them. I use them when I want to, I don't know, show off my Lebrons. But it probably will not leave my collection anytime soon because it is a unique colorway. It is a unique pair. So I just use this for lifestyle now. It is a high cut. I do not prefer high cuts anymore. I just like mid cuts that would, you know, have my ankles not go anywhere when playing. Next pair. If you guys can read this, it says Paul George 3, meaning it is Paul George's third signature sneaker. And this is not the NASA colorway, it's actually the USA colorway. I mean, they call it USA. The box is white, the shoe is also white. Why do people call it the USA colorway? Well, at the midsole, you'll see the splatter patterns of red and blue colors, which are also in the United States flag. Now you'll see hints of gold on the swoosh, on PG's logo on the heel tab, the swoosh again on the medial side. We'll see a cage here at the midfoot, and it has provided enough stability and enough lace lock on my feet, so I don't really have to, you know, my feet doesn't really slide in them. These are my go-to sneakers right now, besides the other one that I'll be showing you guys later. This is my beater pair because I don't want to mess the other one up. I'll show you guys later. Inside, it's covered in the navy colorway. I don't know why. They wanted a different color inside, so that's why it's navy. This traction pattern actually feels okay. I do find a lot of grip, and it's still quite new. The air unit, as you can see, is still covered. It's covered in a different color. It's also covered in blue, in navy blue actually, and red. The comfort on these sneakers are actually pretty much comfortable, and this will probably leave my collection soon, especially when quarantine's over, and I could actually probably trade up into a newer pair. Because one of my friends, actually two of my friends want this. I'll be sending this to them probably soon. Now for the last and the final pair. This is probably the most special in my collection currently. This is the Nike Kyrie 5. Why is it special? Well, while using it, it's pretty good. It's a good performance basketball sneaker. Plus, if you guys can guess the colorway, it is part of the SpongeBob collab with Kyrie Irving. This is the Squidward colorway. And if you guys can see, it's mostly teal, and the outsole has violet and blue. It shows Squidward's colors. Now on this flytrap cage, you'll see the Nickelodeon logo. You'll see the tongue tab has Kyrie Irving's logo, and a unique feature at the back, it's Nike written on the fonts of SpongeBob. Now there's the letter V here, the Roman numeral for number 5, because this is the Kyrie 5. When we take closer looks at the swoosh and at this back heel support, I don't know, you'll see pops of bubble, and probably it signifies the tentacles of Squidward. So this not only, I got this for retail actually, and it was sitting on shelves about a few days later after the release. The other colorways were gone, and I'm thankful actually that I got these for retail. I was supposed to sell them, but I fell in love with them, so it's with me. This will probably not leave my collection, or until, of course, I find a better one. Inside the tongue tab, you'll see on the right pair Squidward's signature / name, and on the left it has Squidward's signature clarinet. Now if you guys have seen other reviews on this sneaker, you'll definitely know that there's a Squidward's face on the insole. However, due to usage, I managed to fade them off so quickly in one game. Performance-wise, the lacing system, since it is a high mid-cut, it has, trapped my feet, and it allows me to move quickly without worrying about my feet sliding inside. The flytrap system here at the mid part is also locking my feet, which enables me to actually run better without worrying about my feet slipping off. As for traction, I have no problems here. We usually play at a quite dusty court. Again, no problems. And what I love about this, a small detail at the toe. It says humble. It reminds me to be humble actually. And since this is a Nike sneaker, you'll see it is not complete without an air zoom unit. Now if you look at this, it doesn't look like it has a zoom unit like the other ones. But the zoom unit for this pair is actually inside this part. You'll see the hole here on the eye. You'll see the translucent air unit. Hey guys, so what do you think about this basketball sneaker collection? I use these two for basketball most of the time. These two are for lifestyle wear already, because this one is already beat up and it's already slippery. I might have to clean it. So what's your favorite pair among the bunch? Personally, this is my favorite. It's bright, it's unique, and it's a unique colorway, a limited colorway. So if you guys enjoyed that video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I will gladly appreciate it. See you guys in the next one.